everyone, welcome to Painting with Jess. Today I will be painting this cherry tree blossom painting. So let's get started. I hope you enjoy it. Alright, so now I'm going to start with the sky, just at the top here with some blue. Alright, so now I'm going to do the pathway, and then I will do some grass, all that stuff. I'm just doing the green that's underneath, going to be underneath the grass that I do over top, basically. I have some different fan brushes that I'm going to put the texture on with. Try the big one first. Just trying to decide how many trees I want here. Really. And now I'm going to try putting some cherry blossoms on the trees and see how that goes with these Q-tip tree. This Q-tip kind of technique is easy, but I don't know if it's going to work for this because I think the trees will be too small, but we'll see. Of course, all I do for this is just tape the Q-tips together. It's very easy, and then I can dip the Q-tips in the very light pink and the magenta, the darker magenta, and the white, and then when you do all that together, it looks really nice. And then you just get the different colors on there, which is really neat looking. It's also quite a fast process if you think about it. When you use the Q-tips. Okay, so now we're going to go on to the last tree.